Angular service testing. In this video, we are going to see about how to test an Angular service. So for service, we have a provided in root to the to inject the object, which makes it accessible to all the components and other services also. So we need to initiate this first, and I'll show you an example. It will be very easy to understand for you. So we have a service called code service. So we need to test this code service first. Okay. So I'm describing this code service and making a call to this code service through object initialization. Let service code service. So before each service calls, what I need to do will be given next one. Service is equal to new code service. So I have been taking this code service which I already declared to a new instance. So I'm checking that one first. So this will be giving a clarity for getting this service into this before each method. So first thing what it should do will be it should create a post in an array. So this post will contain some text, right? So I'm giving a code text light. This is my first post. So this will be the output which I am expecting. So uh, I'm calling this service methods now. So through service object I'm calling service dot add new code. So which will post this is my first code. So which will give me the result as equals, that will be uh, true. So if it is true means this functionality is good. Okay, good working. So I'm writing a method for that. Expect this service dot code list dot length. This should be greater than or is equal to 1, which means I have to pass some text inside this code text, then that will be reflected on the expectation. So that will be that, and then I am writing another method for like removing a created post. So there I am adding new code. So I have been removing this code through a quotient as 0. So 0 means the first added will be removed. Okay, so again I am expecting to be less than 1. Less than 1 means there will be no post available for this current situation. So if that is true, then it will return true. We are giving a new code, and again I am removing means it will be empty, right? So it will expect true only. So that's how it's working. So based on our new conditions, we can create this for our solutions. Thanks for the support.